And Tiger, we have to know that other look about the lie and dangerous. What kind of 17-year-old I look so much for take him look brother out for them birthday? More 17-year-old no walk about with no look brother. 15, not 17. And Jayden I don't even brother. Them no walk around and look brother, a different friend they walk around with. You don't excited with the look brother. They have 7 brother bro. I we don't like that.
Yes. You see an interview, him say him and Jayden big brother, the only big brother where Jayden have, and that is prick say. And then his mother and father say Jayden have a bigger brother living in a yard with them near Russian or Russian or Rushable or something.
That's why you know say the you guilty of something why you have to put in those kind of necessary things.
The whole of them just lie. That's why I'm what them alive for.
Yeah.
We all know what happened, so why them lie?
16-year-old excited if you take 12-year-old out for no birthday. May I tell you that? Unless
him a try pretty up, cause remember say him same one come and say him make breakfast and him tie up goat. And the mother and father don't come tell us this a boy lazy and like do nothing.
Oh, you're so nice to Jayden. You try to show everybody extra nice to this little boy. That I love to show people say the little boy and his sister are guilty of something cause you're too nice. Yeah, sure, I try to put out a thing say, and we know say no 15-year-old and a 12-year-old don't live like that in reality.
Boy, I wicked man. The boy,
no things, man. When I say Tiger, him alone and his sister alone are hide from me in a division.
Mm-hmm.
They are the only one hiding from me.
Mm-hmm.
He saying they want to look in my eyes. That's what he tell somebody. Individual.
And that is true. If I Shanique do it, Demar do it, and Shanique help cover it up. She and him do whatever, expose with the whatever.
Everyone have to cover. Only if me say sorry.
Yeah, man, she had the driver. She get rid of the body car. Them go back to the hospital and she and the man go.
Him or the wife make everybody have to cover. It have to be them or the wife make everybody, cause it's only them, everybody in the family with like Uncle T with a cover, him sister with a cover.
No, they will cover for Shanique and they will cover for Demar.
Yeah,
they will cover for the both of them.
Yes, because him involved in it, them have to end up cover for she.
Yeah.
Mr. T have to end up cover for she because Mr. T have to cover for his son.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They will be exposed, man. All of them will be exposed. I said and I repeat, when me get my vacation, I will fast and pray. Judgment is coming for them. You hear me? Judgment are coming for them.
All these fasting and praying, all these things, kids still are going missing, bro. Need more serious thing and get the kids serious, more serious.
First and foremost, the first step we need to do is somebody need to go and borrow the man for a couple days or so. Borrow him.
Yeah, read good enough. Tiger. Yeah, read good.
Whole heap of kid missing. Fast and pray now find none of them, bro. Come on.
Yeah, read good. Don't say that, brother. Don't say that. For a fact, I'm not in Jamaica right now. But you know for a fact that
kid missing in Jamaica at the moment.
Me say 1,000 plus.
Fasting and praying for them.
I wasn't even having that information.
Fasting and praying for any of them, boss.
Now listen to me now. I wasn't even having that information. I was hearing bits and pieces that, persons are unaliving and body parts, and I'm hearing all those things. And when I hear about
the full thing, then why Vision does get the full thing, which part him there, everything? Why does Vision be peace?
When I hear about this, hello, don't tell God how to work, brother. Just listen to me, man. Please and thanks. When I hear about this thing with Jayden Smith, I was on a prayer line and I said, if they plan to beat him, probably that's the reason why he takes some money, according to what I hear, what I heard, and that's why he did not went home back that day. But when it prolonged, I said, wait a minute, something not right. And then the first dream I got, I saw him running, and he never had on no shirt, and he was so fearful, and he was around some house, probably right there where he lived. in Newport. You understand me? And then I said, wait a minute, something not right. Like somebody is rushing after him to hurt him. Why he's so fearful in the dream? Then when I hear about persons doing all these live, and I said, wait a minute, something not right. This Jayden Smith is still not found. Then I got a dream. In the dream, even 2 officers from Jamaica was in the dream, and they were doing some thing that wasn't looking right. That they were not really searching, like they just come and pretend like they were searching. 2 Jamaican officers. And I saw the driver and I asked him, right? Because I saw the little boy jumping and eating chicken.
It's when you're thinking about this thing so much, boss. You would dream things, you know, mean a vision, you know. Once you think about Jayden,
just hear me out now, man.
You must
just hear me out now. I'm 60-year-old right now. Before me 10-year-old, I'm gonna give me vision. Years me I run from this. I didn't want to even be in the office as a prophet. Years me I run from this. Okay?
You ever find a miss one where you can tell me? No, you ever find a miss one yet?
Okay. I can give an instance where somebody was kidnapped. I wouldn't use the word kidnap. The person paid somebody to drugs her and wanted to do what he wanted to do. When they called me, I was about to go to sleep, and I intercede, and in the spirit I went where he take this person, and the person was there trying to interfere, and you know the lady was drugs and.
Is that a new dream you get? Is that a new dream you get?
No, I tell him something what happened. I tell him something what happened, and they call me and tell me, and because I know the person, and I pray, and I said,
is that a new revelation? I have a Genesis here, you know.
Right, I said, you know, does I share something with him? I said, I decree that you, while she was unconscious, and seriously she was unconscious because they drugs her, that she will get conscious and call friend and somebody will come and help her. And exactly what I pray happened. And the person did not.
Someone she call.
Me pray she was unconscious, and I pray that she
recover and call someone, and you're taking the credit.
Yeah, you know, listen to me, you know, brother. You know, listen to me. You just criticize. I was called and was told the situation. I did not go to sleep. I get down and pray, and I, in a vision, open vision, go in the spirit where she was and see what was happening, and she was unconscious, and everything that I saw, it was a fact, and she get some form of consciousness and call somebody or text somebody, and they come and help her and take her away from there.
So you're out of the consciousness.
Yeah, that is just one incident.
Out of the consciousness.
That is just one incident, brother. So let us stay focused on what I saw.
Yeah, so why you never call for help when you see everything and see where she have got through? Why she have to recover and then call for help? I don't think you could have just call for help if you don't see everything.
You don't understand. I'm not in Jamaica, no.
Prophet, I can ask you a question. Normally when you have to pray and fast. Prophet, I want to go from you. When you have to pray and fast, how long it will normally take for you to pray and fast to get your results?
I can answer you on that. It all depends on God intervention. I am not the one that direct the Holy Ghost. It's
so
the
you
Holy
don't
Ghost.
anything, you just wait till say something happen, then you say yes. I when I did pray last time or a year ago, it happened now. Cause that means you can't rank then, because if you don't have a time set now nothing, it's just when something happen. Like the woman get conscious and call for help, and you just say your prayer do that. I don't understand it. You think?
You're not listening. You're not listening. You must have an open mind. It's when you have dialogue with somebody that giving you some facts. You know, you must have an open mind. Anyway, let me finish. You wasn't here when I was talking about my vision. Let me finish. Tell you what I saw. I didn't know about no car. I saw this car and it black.
Every day, so man.
And the family was in the car, but Shanique was not in the car. And I stopped the car because in the vision, it's in my division where I live here in the state, and the car wasn't just leaving, and I was like, wait a minute, why is this person?
What's a dream, man? It's a dream, because for the vision would have find him, you could have tell you which part in this. So it's a dream.
No, and I saw this thing go, brother.
Prophet, the whole of the comments saying, Prophet, the whole of the comments saying, let we get back to the topic, which is Jayden, right? Let we come off of the vision thing, because for the longest while you're coming up here and you're giving we the visions and stuff, and we appreciate it, but I think everybody here don't hear the vision. So let me go back to Jayden and facts and whatever and thing, right?
With all due respect, this brother wasn't here when I was talking. That was the only reason why I was sharing it. But what I am saying, respect what I'm saying. I said when I get my vacation, because you see, I won't be going to work or doing my other business that I do. I would just be on vacation from all of my business. Okay? And I said,
I'm gonna tell you one more thing, right? I think it have a verse in the Bible say that when you're going and pray and fast, don't make it a boast, but do it in silence. So don't let people know that when you go on your vacation, you're going to do your prayer and fast, do it in silence, you know? Keep that to yourself and bring back the results after.
Madam, will you just listen to me, please? I am just sharing with you all as a family that I said before, when I get a vacation, I am concerned.
If find a little boy, so if you get a vision, more
I am concerned. I am concerned, not just about Jayden, the fact that I even lose my appetite. This thing is so much deep and serious, and I am concerned about this situation that is happening, not just in Jamaica. I even go as far as said, if I was a bounty hunter, honestly, I'll be glad to find some of these agent of darkness that is messing around young people and children and the whole 9 yards. You understand me? I will gladly be a bounty hunter if I have the opportunity. I even said that. Okay? Because persons must understand that when you unalive somebody, their blood will speak. Remember, in the scripture, it tells you about two brothers, and they make sacrifice to God, and Cain was not pleased with his brother Abel, because God...
That brother right there in Jamaica walk about every day. We understand? Some of them in a church are preach same where they turn pastor now, so they get saved and that kind of thing. We understand, man?
What are you saying? I'm saying when you unalive somebody, the blood speak to God, because the life of the flesh is in the blood. That's all I'm saying. So Jayden blood is speaking. Whoever did what they did, his blood is speaking, and that's why so many persons is so concerned. That's all I'm saying.
All right.
And that's why I decided to do what I'm gonna do. Okay?
All right, Prophet. That's
God
good.
bless you.
Yeah. So
See it?
find out who is the one who they think could have unalive Jayden.
Yeah, I that's why you finish the vision. Why you finish the vision?
No, I'm wake up out of vision. Oh my God.
So, you know that you guys are being a mockery right now, whether you believe it or not.
No,
Well, so you. No. I got you.
What is the business saying? But I wake
I
up.
got the comic. I got the comic. And I'm not laughing because it's not funny. Because it's a mockery.
Who maybe
And
not a sense of humor, you know, other people have sense of humor.
you see, if the prophet is being a mockery, we are adding on to him to be a further mockery.
Prophet, if you say no. Finish the dream. Now wake up. The man say if you never catch him or you never see which part there's somebody say you wake up out of the vision. So now people not dream and wake up and not finish the vision. How that becomes a mockery. People wake up. So you have the end of it.
You don't understand.
Hello,
you don't understand. Let me explain something. Let me explain something to all of you. When you are getting a dream, a vision, or you're in a trance, and you are showing something, you get some information. Okay? You get bits and pieces. Okay? When you are having an open vision and you are showing something, like for instance, you are seeing an incident or accident happen. Open vision, you're not sleeping. You're sitting or you're lying down or you're standing and you have open vision.
They call it a deja vu. You can stand up and fall in a little sleep.
Fire marshal. Let me say something. A lot of them probably have never.
Man explain now and stop talk to the man. We ask the man a question, the man explaining vision. Make the man explain and stop our feelings for them.
Can I land the plane? When you are having an open vision, you're not sleeping. Okay? And you hear something or you are seeing something. Right? And you are told what to do. And you do it. Like for instance, there was a situation where I wasn't sleeping and I saw somebody lying down and somebody in white like a nurse tell somebody else to pull out her teeth, all her teeth.
That's not like Shanice, you know.
A long time something this matter about.
Oh.
I was upset about it, family, and I said to the person in white that is telling the other person to pull out the teeth, I said, don't do it. I hear sound that the person is still alive, so don't do that. The person in white said, you see too much, and show something at my face. I closed my eyes, and the person run out of the room and said, let me go down and call the name where she decided to go and do somebody else. Yes, I know. Pulling teeth is dead. Now, I come out of that vision, or if you want to say a dream, and get ready for work. You see, before I go to work, open my door, police everywhere. You know what happened? And that was when I fully understand the vision. They kill they analyze this person next door me.
Fun guy.
That was what God was showing me. And because I didn't fully understand, I didn't even get up and pray about it. So that was when I understand more that when you see somebody losing teeth or somebody pulling out teeth, it pertains to death. Okay? That happened. And next thing that happened, And this happened with my sister's car. Sorry to be taking up all this time. I saw her car going down the driveway, reversing down the driveway. I rushed out and grabbed the car and called my brother before it go over to a neighbor's house. And we control the car and bring it back on the driveway. I got up out of that dream and tell my sister. She said, "Oh, I'm glad it's a dream." I said, "Listen, you know, every time I see something, right, it come to pass." I said, "Be careful." About 2 weeks after, there was an issue with the car and the car was work and then she go in the car to bring the car into the garage and the car get out of control, reverse back way. And just like how I saw it. Because she did not cancel what I saw. And she said, "Oh, I'm glad it was a dream." I can't tell him anymore. So I am saying,
clear it.
I tell her, I said, "Watch it, you know." So I am telling you that bits and pieces will be shown to you. So when I decide to
go back to the vision, finish the vision where you see her in the taxi, and I'm going to go back to Jayden, the vision we get about Jayden, not other one, more on the vision about.
Or you want to hear the complete thing. So they all was in the car. The only person that was not in the car was what's her name? Shanique. That was the only person that was not in the car. Okay, you see all the man now in the car could not look at me. Right? Just like how you hear them interview Mr. T. That was how he was talking when he come out the car, because I went and hold the car.
So like, I'm not a question now. Like in the vision, all the them are look. You know how him look? You know how them are look?
Just like how I saw the picture, that's how he looked. And he could not look at me. He could not look at me.
Oh, so you saw the picture before you get the vision?
Yeah, that's
no, I saw him.
Hey, that's when you go and dream about it. Can you see that?
I saw him before I see any picture. I saw him before I see any picture. We saw the whole family.
You saw the vision before you see the pic of him?
Before I see the picture, I saw him in the vision.
Okay.
I saw Mr. T when they were interviewing him before the vision, but I did not see the Mar. I did not see his wife, Anne-Marie, if that's her name. But I saw them in the vision and the little boy. What you name? Yeah, Visionik, little boy. Jumping up and down in the car. Okay. So he and his wife came out the car. And guess what? She went to a letterbox and take out some whole for US. And I give me and put on my hand and I say, "Where you give me this money? Where this come from? What is this?" And I give it back to her. Whole for US. You know when I try to pay off somebody? So she take back the money. And she run her mouth and I run her mouth. And it's like she talk over Mr. T and she's there. Okay? So I want to get something straight from Mr. T, but she talk over Mr. T. And then Mr. T him stop talk and get upset. Okay? Them are and the little boy in the car. Well, them park the car. Okay. They leave. And then the vision continue where the little boy now, like he was in my garage jumping up and down and eating chicken. I asked for the mother. The driver, the person that is standing there and say, "I'm drive the car. I'm bringing her here and she use the bathroom." All me a wait all now. Family, all know she not appear. And I asked the driver again, "Where is she?" Because her son is right here and I don't understand. Why would she take so long in the bathroom? Until now, she don't show up.
I'll find you.
Until now, she don't show up. Until now, the mark can't look in my eye.
Yeah, I agree. Dream work out it, but you see because I think about it so much because the way I thought this whole dream it sound just like how the whole face. It sound like the whole world.
I wasn't even thinking like that, family. Brother, I wasn't even thinking like that.
Cute girl.
Me just a hear say, you know, Jayden Smith is still not found.
No,
I wanna ask cute girl something. Cute girl, you there? Okay, I'm gonna ask you something. What is your let me not say it now.